Hi everyone, this is Bhupesh Sharma. So if I talk about the general category at the very beginning, so you have to score 170 marks in order to get your net, right? 52 in your paper 2, you have to attempt 52 questions correctly in your paper 2 and 33 questions correctly in your paper 1. And this is exactly you get a 170 marks. And not going to tell you only that how much marks you need, but how can you get these 170 marks, right, within the remaining period of time. Let me talk about the other category, which is your reserve category. If you just score about 50% marks, even then you will get your net. Now, how to get these marks? You have to focus on the last 6 units. In these last 6 units, you have a very limited amount of syllabus to study. You have a literary theory. You have your criticism. How many critiques you have? Plato, Aristotle, Matthew Arnold, your Samuel Beckett, your Dryden. In your romantic periods, you have your two poets like your Wordsworth and your Coleridge. Then it ends with your T.S. Eliot. You have your linguistics, a very limited amount syllabus. You have English in India, very limited syllabus. In order to cover it, just focus on your PYQPs. Whatever theorist asked there, whatever work is asked there, you just simply cover it, no more than that. Talk about your first 4 units. Here, you should focus exactly on the kind of stuff is being asked in the paper. It should not be always like you are reading the summary, whole summary. If you do not have enough time, directly go to the characters, directly go to the quotes, its dates, its literary significance, its first line, its title, because these are the information which are being asked in the exam. So just focus on there merely, right? Getting 52% marks is not a huge thing if you have a right kind of guidance, and I'm ready to give you all that to you, right? The question is, will you take it or not? So just simply start focusing on your last 6 units. This is a trick I play, right? Even though in my crash course study material, whenever I say like I prefer this crash course study material for all those women or men who are working, who do not have enough time to devote for their studies, who have to take care of baby, who have to do their domestic works at home, you have to commute to the work every single day, so you don't get that particular time to study. Like you can't be so sure that these are the 2 hours which I'm going to devote to my studies. There are a lot of people like that. So I prefer my crash course study material to all of you, because here I cover all the 10 units in a crisp and clear manner. But if you are someone who is completely devoted to this preparation only, so you can do it on your own. It took me 8 months to cover this whole syllabus and get my net. So it depends person to person. Now some of you must be wondering, so you are saying to us that I'll make you qualify your net just within a 2 months. You have uploaded this 2 months of timetable. Yes, because after doing all on your own without guidance, it even though can take you 2 years. But understanding the whole pattern by going through PYQPs, it took me around 6 to 8 months. But after knowing everything, I can guide just anyone, this is how you should do it. And about the paper 1, I will make a separate video for that. So till then, you just keep pushing yourself, keep yourself on the track, have a timetable, follow it, you will get your net.